Trump's sons launch $300 million SPAC to revitalize U.S. manufacturing. In today's politically charged environment, the intertwining of business and policy has never been more fascinating or controversial. As President Donald Trump champions a protectionist economic agenda centered on boosting American manufacturing, his eldest sons are stepping into the spotlight with a new venture that aligns closely with this vision. But here's where it gets intriguing. While some applaud their efforts to revitalize domestic industries, others question whether this is simply capitalizing on political momentum. Either way, it's a story worth exploring. Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr., two prominent members of the Trump family, have thrown their weight behind a fresh business endeavor called New America Acquisition I Corp. This blank check company filed for an initial public offering (IPO) on August 4th, aiming to raise up to $300 million. For those unfamiliar with the term, a blank check firm, also known as a special purpose acquisition company (SPAC), is essentially a shell entity designed to merge with private companies and take them public without undergoing the traditional IPO process. It's a strategy that has gained significant traction in recent years, including within the Trump family's portfolio. So, what sets this SPAC apart? According to its filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, New America Acquisition I Corp. Intends to focus on merging with businesses valued at $700 million or more. These businesses must play a pivotal role in revitalizing U.S. manufacturing, fostering innovation ecosystems, and strengthening critical supply chains. The document emphasizes their mission to target companies that aren't just poised for sustainable long-term growth, but also deeply committed to advancing America's industrial capacity, technological leadership, and economic resilience. This initiative comes at a time when the Trump administration is doubling down on its aggressive tariff policies. Tariffs have been imposed on a wide range of imported goods, particularly manufactured products, as part of an effort to incentivize companies to relocate their production facilities to the United States. While these tariffs aim to protect and grow domestic industries, they've sparked heated debates about their broader economic impact. Supporters argue they safeguard American jobs and reduce reliance on foreign supply chains, while critics warn they could lead to higher consumer prices and strained international trade relations. Interestingly, New America Acquisition I Corp. Isn't the first SPAC associated with the Trump family. Previous ventures have included mergers involving firearms retailers and media firms, showcasing the family's diverse investment interests. Now, by focusing on manufacturing and technology, the Trumps appear to be positioning themselves squarely within the president's policy priorities. And let's not forget their involvement in the burgeoning cryptocurrency space. With a 60% stake in World Liberty Financial, a crypto platform, the family continues to explore opportunities in industries benefiting from favorable regulatory environments under the current administration. Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr. will both serve on the advisory board of New America Acquisition I Corp., receiving a combined 5 million shares in the company. Leading the charge is Kevin McGurn, a seasoned media veteran tapped to helm the company through its next phase. In its upcoming IPO, the SPAC plans to offer 30 million units priced at $10 each, with the goal of listing on the prestigious New York Stock Exchange. But this raises an important question. Is the Trump family's latest venture truly about revitalizing American manufacturing, or is it merely leveraging political trends for financial gain? And this is the part most people miss. How do we differentiate between genuine patriotism and savvy entrepreneurship in cases like these? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you see this move as a bold step? Eric Donald Trump Jr. launched New America SPAC, boosting U.S. manufacturing. Buckle up, because the Trump family is making waves in the financial world once again. Eric and Donald Trump Jr. are stepping into the spotlight with a bold new venture, backing a SPAC focused on revitalizing U.S. manufacturing. This move is not just a financial play, it's a statement about the future of American industry. But here's where it gets controversial. SPACs, or special purpose acquisition companies, have become a hot topic in the financial world. These shell companies go public with the sole purpose of merging with a private company, allowing the private entity to bypass some of the traditional IPO red tape. It's a fast track to the stock market, but critics argue it can also be a fast track to trouble if not handled correctly. New America Acquisition I Corp, the SPAC in question, has just filed for a $300 million public offering on the New York Stock Exchange. The goal? To merge with companies that are breathing new life into domestic manufacturing. This isn't just about making money, it's about revitalizing an industry that has been the backbone of the American economy for generations. For Eric and Donald Trump Jr., this venture adds another layer to their already diverse portfolio. Beyond their family's real estate empire, the Trump brothers are now dipping their toes into the world of finance and manufacturing. It's a bold move that could have far-reaching implications for both their personal brands and the broader economy. And this is the part most people miss. SPACs are not just a financial trend. They are a tool that can transform industries. By targeting U.S. manufacturing, the Trump brothers are sending a clear message about their priorities and vision for the future. But will it pay off? Only time will tell. So, what do you think? Is this a brilliant strategy to revitalize American manufacturing, or is it a risky gamble that could backfire? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinions on this controversial move.